Across the wild lands of Earth, millions of animals begin an incredible journey every year. Herds of zebras and wildebeests move together across endless grasslands in search of food and water. Massive elephants lead their families through dry forests and dangerous rivers. High above the skies, birds migrate thousands of miles with perfect teamwork and direction. Strong buffaloes and graceful deer travel day and night to survive. Changing seasons, predators silently follow the migration, turning nature into a dramatic battle for survival. Dust rises beneath thousands of moving feet as the wilderness comes, alive with motion. This is migration, one of nature's greatest wonders, driven by instinct, survival, and unity.